Hello guys, and welcome to our Crash Repair Center. What we have today, we've got Bentley 4x4 Bentayga. It's a very nice car. It's absolutely in mint condition, 2019. This is from inside the car. It's lovely car, absolutely amazing. The finishing, the detailing on the car, the seats, panoramic. It's absolutely nice. What we have got on that car, we have a little scuff on the near side rear door, so the wheel arch is quite deep scratch here. Then we have the door as well, so we need to paint it, make it look nice again. We have the alloy wheel as well, little scratches on it, so we have to take it off and repair it as well. Now we're masking it up, make it ready for primer. As you can see, that's been sanded down properly, all the scratches been removed. So now we have to mask it up to make it ready for the primer. Here you go, now the car's been masked. The reason we masked the car to prevent any overspray on the rest of the panels. So now, as you can see, because we're going through the plastic, so we have to do a plastic primer first. Once you do plastic primer, and then we apply, we leave it for 5 minutes, and then we apply the proper primer on it. Here you go, now the primer been applied. And then of course we have to leave it overnight to get dry properly, and we start rubbing it down again to make it ready for paint. Here you go, the job has been completed. The scratch being repaired, as you've seen from the beginning of the video, the way we've done it. Alloy wheel has been done as well, paint it same color, and as you can see, it looks like a mirror. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.